Hello everyone, my name is Willy Curvers. I'm a product manager at ETAP. In this presentation, I'm excited to discuss an innovative approach that is transforming the landscape of electrical engineering in the machine building. Today, we will explore how C3D Panel unlocks efficiency with an integrated workflow from 3D electrical engineering directly into manufacturing production processes. Our focus in this presentation will be on the specific ways that this solution optimizes key production tasks like CNC drilling, copper bending, and automated wire production, while also improving visualizations with an advanced workshop tool like C3D Panel Shopflow. In an industry where precision, efficiency, and speed are crucial, adopting advanced tools and methodologies is essential. C3D Panel is not just a design tool, it's an advanced platform that enhances every stage of the electrical engineering process, from initial design to final production. Let's begin by considering some of the challenges traditionally faced in electrical engineering and production in machine building. Complexity of the systems. Modern machinery involves complex electrical systems with numerous components that must be precisely designed and assembled. Managing this complexity with traditional 2D schematics can be cumbersome and error sensitive. Manual and disconnected processes. Many production processes such as CNC drilling, copper bending, and wire cutting have traditionally been handled manually or with minimal automation. This often leads to inefficiencies, increased error rates, and misalignment between engineering designs and the final product. Visualization gaps. A significant challenge is the lack of effective visualization tools that bridge the gap between design and production. Without clear, real-time visual guidance, assembly teams may struggle with interpreting complex designs, leading to errors and delays. C3D Panel is designed to overcome these challenges by providing a fully integrated 3D engineering and production platform. It allows engineers to design, simulate, and visualize electrical systems in 3D, and then directly interface with production machinery to ensure that designs are executed accurately and efficiently. Some key features of C3D Panel. Engineers can create detailed 3D models of electrical systems, including components, wiring, and panels. This 3D environment provides a clear and accurate representation of how the system will function in the real world. Production integration. C3D Panel connects directly with production machinery such as CNC machine, wire cutting systems, and copper bending machines, ensuring that the transition from design to production is seamless. With C3D Panel Shopflow, real-time access to the 3D model instruction is provided directly on the shop floor, bridging the gap between design office and the production team. Let's dive into the specific benefits of C3D Panel in optimizing key production tasks. CNC drilling and cutouts. C3D Panel allows for the precise definition of drill holes and cutouts directly within the 3D model. These specifications are automatically translated into CNC machine code, ensuring exact execution on the production floor. Automating the generation of CNC instruction minimizes human errors. The direct link between the 3D model and CNC machine eliminates the need for manual data transfer, reducing the risk of inaccuracies and rework. The ability to automatically update CNC instruction as design evolves means that production can proceed with confidence, knowing that the machine is working from the most current and accurate data. Copper bending. Copper bending, which is crucial for electrical connection, requires precise angles and dimensions. C3D Panel allows engineers to model these bends in 3D, ensuring they fit within the design parameters. The bending instructions are exported directly to CNC bending machines and work instructions, eliminating the need for manual setups and ensuring consistency in the production process. By optimizing the bending process within the 3D model, C3D Panel helps reduce material waste, leading to cost savings and more sustainable production practices. One of the most labor-intensive tasks in electrical assembly is the cutting and preparation of wires. C3D Panel automates this process by generating precise wire cutting and stripping instructions based on the 3D design. Automated wire production ensures that wires are cut to exact specification, improving consistency and reducing the time required for assembly. With wires prepared exactly according to the design, the likelihood of assembly errors is reduced, leading to higher quality outcomes. A critical aspect of successful production is the ability to visualize the final product throughout the manufacturing process. This is where C3D Panel shop floor plays an important role. C3D Panel shop floor provides real-time access to 3D models on the shop floor, ensuring that production teams have the most accurate and up-to-date information. Workers can interact with the 3D model, zooming in on specific details, rotating components, and exploring the assembly from wires and components from various angles. This capability greatly enhances understanding and reduces the potential for misinterpretations. If changes are made to the design, C3D Panel shop floor allows these updates to be instantly reflected on the shop floor, ensuring that everyone is working from the same page. The use of 3D models in C3D Panel shop floor provides clear visual guidance to production teams, reducing the need for complex instructions and minimizing the risk of errors during assembly. When issues arise on the shop floor, the ability to refer directly to the 3D model helps to quickly identify and resolve problems, reducing downtime and keeping production on track. To illustrate the real-world impact of C3D Panel, let's consider a case study of a company that adopted this solution for their machine and panel building process. A manufacturer of industrial automation systems faced challenges with the traditional engineering and production methods, including frequent errors in CNC drilling, inconsistencies in copper bending, and delays due to manual wire cutting. By implementing C3D Panel, the company achieved the following results. CNC drilling, the automated translation of 3D design to CNC machine code, reduced drilling hours by 40%, and the overall time required for drilling and cutting operations was cut by 35%. Copper bending. The precision of bent components improved by 25%, with the bending process becoming faster and more consistent, leading to a reduction in material waste. Wire production. Automated wire cutting and stripping reduced preparation time by 50%, with assembly hours due to incorrect wire lengths and terminations virtually eliminated. Visualization. The use of C3D Panel shop floor enhanced communications between the engineering and the production teams, leading to faster identification and resolution of issues, and a smoother production process overall. To illustrate the impact of C3D Panel, let's consider a real-world example of a company that has successfully implemented this solution in the electrical engineering process.
Jullie zijn vandaag bij de firma Applitech in Haarlem. Mijn naam is Jan-Willem Hidding. Ik ben bedrijfsleider van Applitech en we gaan vandaag kijken wat C Electrical ons brengt. Applitech doet paneelbouw in de breedste zin van het woord eigenlijk. We bouwen besturingspanelen, we bouwen hoogstroomverdelers. Alles is klantspecifiek. We bouwen hoogstroomverdelers tot 6300 ampère en besturingspanelen eigenlijk allemaal voor de besturingstechniek van generatoren. Het AutoCAD kon niet volledig mee in de elektrische toepassingen en de automatisering. Dus hebben wij een keuze gemaakt tussen de twee concurrenten, zullen we maar zeggen. En toen hebben we C Electrical gekozen vanwege de prijs en de kwaliteit eigenlijk. Wat wij doen hier met de C Electrical software is het tekenen van besturingspanelen. Het bedradingsschema wordt er helemaal in opgezet. Er wordt een layout gemaakt van het paneel. De layout van het paneel die sturen we door naar een machine toe. De machine die gaat uiteindelijk een montageplaat boren, frezen. En vervolgens kunnen we daarna de opbouw beginnen van het paneel. Maar het ontwerp dat zit echt in C Electrical. Wat wij nog meer tekenen in C Electrical is koper. We maken een eigen ontwerp daarin. Aan het eigen ontwerp wordt weer naar de kopermachine toegestuurd en de buigbank waar ook het koper op de exacte maat van C Electrical gebogen gaat worden. Ik zou aan iedereen deze software kunnen aanraden omdat het gebruiksgemak heel eenvoudig is. De snelheid mee het werken, de kopiefuncties die erin zitten, allerlei features in een standaard database die iedereen voor zichzelf kan maken, is het een ideale softwareproduct.
In conclusion, C3D Panel offers a revolutionary approach to 3D electrical engineering in machine and panel building, seamlessly integrating design and production processes. By leveraging this solution, you can achieve greater precision, efficiency and consistency in these key tasks for almost 80% of the production process. The added advantage of enhanced visualization with C3D Panel shop floor ensures that the transition from design to production is as smooth and error-free as possible, resulting in a higher quality product and reduced production times. As our industries continue to advance in machine building to meet new demands, the adoption of tools like C3D Panel and shop floor will be critical to maintaining a competitive market in machine and panel building. Thank you for your time and attention in this session, where we examined how you can unlock efficiency through integrated engineering and machine and panel building with ETAP products.